Hey, Josh over at CFT Performance. We got our Titan XD project and everything. I've been telling people for like the last year about the thermostat valves for the transmission cooler. So I just want to show you the one that we got on here. It's from Improved Racing. Really awesome, great company. Real simple, easy to do project anyone can do in their driveway. We still have the skid plate and everything off on here to kind of show you. So the unit comes in and you can literally tap it into your lines that you have. I made just a quick simple bracket to mount off of here. You can see the transmission flow lines. As you see, this line here goes to the cooler. And then this straighter line is returned back into the transmission. So the people always ask. I will tell everybody else, if you get the hose barbs, if you're gonna go order these right now, get 5/16 hose barbs. I know Improved Racing has like 3/8 and so forth, but they are bigger. So you're gonna need like a pair of pliers to really push them on. I'm working with another company and everything right now to make a good solid 145-degree thermostatic unit and build a bracket and everything. Hopefully have the price point under $100 for it for everybody. Might be about a month, 2 months until I get really going on them. Just a lot of negotiation with the company. But the bracket and everything will be a nicer built bracket, all powder coated. Hose barbs already attached, ready to go. So all you gotta do is cut the lines. This bracket is actually not all that hard to install. If you have a magnetic unit, you can just literally put the nut right on the back just like that and hold the nuts in place and then thread the bolts in and tighten it down and you're done. This is literally, if you don't do a bracket, it's literally a 10-minute install, if that. So if you got shift flare issues and so forth and you want to solve that and you can't figure it out, these thermostat valves figured it out for you. You know, these transmissions are just like the AS69s. The AS69s, like in your 1-ton Dodges and so forth, they already have a built-in thermostat that's bolted on to the lines itself so they can get the trans temperatures up. So I've been playing around with this for a little over a year on a couple of my test trucks. This was actually one of the very first things I put on this truck. It really helps with the shift flare issues. When I got this truck bone stock, just driving it back from the dealership to here, I mean, second, third, shift flares all day long. It was terrible to drive. Got that stuck on there, didn't even get the tuning all loaded in yet. Shift flares went away. So hopefully we'll have this product out for everybody soon. But if you know, even if you don't buy from us and you get the cheaper units, 145 degree is like really the best staple point because that really helps you out if you tow a lot and so forth. If you just daily drive your truck, you're not doing towing and racing, you can get like the 165 thermostat units. I wouldn't really recommend going any higher than that unless you're really in cold climates. Then you could go to like 185 or 180 thermostat units, but your ranges are usually 145 and 165. So hope that helps everybody out. Thank you. Have a great day.